you go. Hey y'all, today we're gonna be cleaning some strawberries with my ultrasonic vegetable cleaner. I used to use vinegar to clean my strawberries. I would soak them in some water and vinegar, but honestly, I was having so much trouble making sure that I didn't put too much vinegar in. And what would happen actually was that the vinegar would start tenderizing the strawberries and making them degrade faster. So I didn't find that to be very effective. They did feel pretty clean, but now that I have this ultrasonic cleaner, this is actually, I found the best method for cleaning produce, especially strawberries, because there's no chemicals. It just basically uses titanium electrolysis to create a natural oxidant that sanitizes them. So let's go ahead and use this, and I'll show you how quick and easy it is to do. All you do to clean the strawberries with this ultrasonic cleaner is you push the button, submerge it in water, make sure that it's charged, pour the strawberries in. We're gonna let them sit for 3 minutes on the fruit and vegetable cycle, and then we're gonna actually let these sit for another 5 to 10 minutes afterwards, which is actually when the purification happens. As you can see, little bubbles are starting to form. This is actually helping remove anything on the surface level of these strawberries, and this ultrasonic cleaner advertises that it helps to remove pesticide residue as well. These are organic strawberries, so there shouldn't be any pesticide residue, but even if there is, that's going to be helpful. I'm planning to do a non-organic strawberry video soon so you can even see the difference. And I also kind of like to stir it around a little bit, but look at all the stuff that is coming up, even just with a little bit of the ultrasonic bubbles. Okay, so this just beeped. It has finished its 3-minute cycle. Now I'm going to set a timer for 10 minutes to let these sit so that they can sanitize. Okay, it's been 10 minutes. Our cycle is complete. Now we're gonna go ahead and just take these out. I'm gonna transfer them over to a colander so that I can rinse them, because we just got a lot of the stuff off of these, and then we wanna rinse them to get whatever's left on them that was sitting in the water. And we're gonna look at this water real quick to see what came off of these organic strawberries. All right, so definitely a lot of little particles, kind of like an oily looking residue. I mean, it's hard to see probably with the camera, but let's check out how clean these strawberries look now. The water is definitely not as clear as when I first put it in. And then to finish with this, you can just turn this counterclockwise and that top part will come off and it'll totally drain, or you can just kind of set it to drain somewhere and that's it. Okay, let's go ahead and just give these a nice little rinse. And then what I found is that you can really tell by the feel how clean these really are. I mean, look at that. I didn't have to do anything. I just put them in the bowl with the ultrasonic cleaner and it did all the cleaning for me. I love using this thing. I've been using it on so many different types of fruits and vegetables. Most notably, I used it on my rice, and it really washed the rice so well. I was like, wow, I haven't been rinsing my rice as well as I thought. I also do a lot of juicing, and so this has been a really great way to make sure that my juice that I'm making in my juicer is actually very clean. So check out my whole playlist using the ultrasonic cleaner. If you're interested in getting one, be sure to check out the links in the description below, but there you go.